welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Morena Gal, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Solid Blender Cleanser for like the beauty blenders and stuff. You can use it on brushes as well though. This one is like the sample size, but the full size is $16. Honest to God, like I don't want to judge it because I've never used it before, but the way just like a stick of Dove soap can just clean my blenders, my brushes, everything. And like I'm buying a pack for less than $16, like half of what $16 is basically. I'm kind of like, for 1 ounce, because the full size is 1 ounce of product, I don't, like it better work a miracle on my beauty blenders, my brush, my other blenders, my Fenty blender, my BH Cosmetics blender. Because $16 is a lot. And my Dove works amazing. So on the website it says it's supposed to remove excess residue and germs for clean makeup application, which is what you would expect it to do. And honestly, the next thing it says soothing lavender fragrance. It doesn't smell like lavender to me, but it smells so good. Even through like the plastic, because it's in plastic right now. It smells so good. And oh, this is pretty cool. It's handcrafted in the USA. And it has 4.7 stars on Sephora.com. That's crazy. So a lot of people do love it, but we just gonna see. The things I'm gonna be testing out the Solid Cleanser on is my beauty blender, of course. This one does not look that dirty. It's from BH Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite sponges. But it really, I don't know if you're seeing that. It really is dirty, I swear. And my Fenty sponge, my Fenty beauty sponge is filthy. And my Real Techniques brush. Oh my god, what is the name of this one again? But this one, you guys. Alrighty, so I just took it out of the plastic. And yeah, then I turned my faucet on. I didn't really want a lot of water because I was just like, meh, I don't want it splashing all over the place. You know, the foundation when it comes off. So yeah, so you see, I just kind of rubbed it into the blender cleanser a little bit. Like, you know, suds it up. And then I squeezed it out. And it was doing a good job at first, I felt like, at least. Okay, so I later realized that the foundation would just not come out of the bottom of the sponge. I kept sudsing up vigorously. But yeah, see, as you can see, like it just didn't go away. The rest of it looked good, but the bottom would not come out. It was crazy. See, like the rest is all clean and stuff, but that bottom. So then I just moved on to my BH sponge. And you guys, I swear it was dirty. I swear. But it didn't look that dirty when, you know, I tried to like, squeeze it out. Like no color came out. And then the color on the sponge was gone. So I was like, okay, well, it's clean. So that one was like really, really quick. So on to the Fenty blenders, Fenty sponge. Okay, yeah, it was really dirty. I swear that was only one time, like one use. You know, my foundation's just really dark. I'm dark. Makes sense. So this one was just so satisfying. The amount of foundation that came out of this sponge and so quickly. Like, look at that. It was crazy. And that was like barely anything. Like, I didn't apply that much pressure for this one. But I feel like it's just easy to clean this sponge. It's just super, super easy. So unfortunately, with this one, I encountered the same problem. The bottom, like the pigment on the bottom would not come out. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look. It's crazy. Crazy. There's a little bit at the top and a little bit at the bottom. So then I went back in to try and clean my beauty blender because I was like, come on, this has to come out, you guys. And a little bit more did come out, or at least that's what it seemed like. Like, see? Like, foundation is coming out, but the bottom still looked the same. I was like, okay, there's a bunch more in there. Why is it not coming out? And I was squeezing really hard. Like, I was so afraid I was going to rip my beauty blender because y'all know it's expensive. And this is one of those limited edition ones, the swirl. Not that that matters, but I was afraid that I was going to rip it and waste $20, so. Oh my gosh, and then the next, this one, my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Oh, Lord. Y'all will see how it goes. Oh, and then, yeah, I used my BH Cosmetics. They have this Pro line where they have what is this called? Like a makeup cleaning brush pad, that thing. I'll leave a link for it below in the description. But y'all, if y'all have brushes and it's killing you to like wash your brushes in the palm of your hand, buy this. It was so, I think I only got it for like $6.80, something like that. Really, really cheap. But yeah, guys, look at what the blender cleanser did to my brush. It looks amazing. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some good news because you guys, my brush, my Real Techniques brush has not looked this clean since I purchased it, and it's been so sad. But look at how clean it is. It looks brand new. It smells clean. Oh gosh, it is so nice. Alrighty, and then the bad news. So, I will keep using it, the one that I have, because the way it makes my brush look and feel. So, the white parts, I will say they do look whiter, like around here. But on the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see that. It is just horrible. Like, when I use my Dove, my tried and true, it gets this out on the bottom. I use the bottom of my beauty blender to like stamp in the product, and then I use the sides, you know, to even it out, to blend it out. So I guess it's really, the product usually gets stuck on the bottom here, but once I use my Dove, that's it, it's gone. The Beauty Solid Cleanser, no matter how many times I tried, it would not take this out of the bottom. I don't know if you see that? It would not take it out. Did a really good job on my BH Cosmetics sponge. But my BH Cosmetics sponge, I will say, it's really hard to clean. Even though, because it never looks dirty, but it's dirty. But up close you can see it's finally like clean now. And it smells so good. And my Fenty Beauty Sponge, this one is not hard to clean at all. This is the easiest beauty sponge to clean. That's why I love it more than the Beauty Blender, because it's just so easy to clean and it's so soft and it like hugs my eyes. Like, I love this blender. But like the Beauty Blender, the solid cleanser did not take out the pigment on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's like right there. So yeah, I didn't take that out, but the rest of it is clean. But I'm gonna have to go with my Dove after and take this off. So my final thoughts on the product is I will not be repurchasing it because I'm not gonna buy a product just to clean my Real Techniques brush. Because even though my Dove doesn't do the best job at cleaning my Real Techniques brush, I feel like it cleans the outside, and then somehow in the middle, I don't know, like I can always see like a little bit of pigment left over. I don't know why. But with this solid cleanser, did a really good job. But I'm not going to buy it for just this one brush because my other brushes, the Dove does a great job. So yeah, I'm not going to spend $16 to clean one brush basically, because it does a piss poor job of cleaning what it's meant to be, like what it's supposed to clean, the Beauty Blender. Like, what the heck is that? What the heck? And it was really bad. Like, I was going in like squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. So yeah, I will not be repurchasing the Solid Beauty Cleanser because it just didn't do a good job. I will just stick with my little Dove. And for $16, it's not that cost efficient either, so yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you like this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.